This is how you can survive an avalanche. This airbag may be the only thing that can save your life. Subscribe and like if you are an avid skier. During an avalanche, snow slides down a mountain fast and heavy. Most people get trapped under the snow with no way out. The avalanche airbag changes that. With one pull of the string, a giant bag fills with air and helps you float on top of the snow instead of sinking under it, which can mean the difference between living and getting buried.